Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with...
Hi guys, I'm Leah's older sister Anna.
So today we're making how to make crunch wrap cookies.
Ooh, I can't wait, Leah.
Let's get on to this video. So all you need is shortening,
Flour,
oatmeal,
crispy rice cereal,
brown sugar,
white sugar,
eggs,
salt,
vanilla extract,
and some baking soda. So for this recipe, we're going to need a mixer.
So all you need is put the shortening into a mixer.
And next, we'll take our brown sugar and put it in the mixing bowl.
After that, I will put the white sugar in the mixer.
So Leah, now that we have all of the sugars and the shortening in the bowl, what do we do next?
We mix it.
Ooh, it looks like it's ready.
Okay, next up, we crack the eggs in the bowl.
That sounds excellent.
I was there for you.
You're always there for me?
Always.
Oh, thanks. Love you.
So after you crack the eggs, is to dump this in the mixer.
Think it's good?
It is.
You don't want to scramble them. So next we're going to take our salt, our vanilla extract, and our baking soda and put it into the mix. Don't forget the baking soda. Now we're going to take our flour and we're going to put it into the bowl.
So after that, is to mix the bowl.
Much better.
Thank you.
Now it's time for the oatmeal. And now we're going to carefully mix in the oats.
Yep.
Okay, looks good. Now let's snap, crackle, and pop these into the bowl.
It is great.
It's a little messy working with your sister,
Yeah, sometimes.
but she's the best.
The next is put the scooper into the cookie dough.
And then take your scooper, scoop the dough, and put it on your cookie sheet. Hey, did you know that these are Dad's favorite cookies?
They are. Yummy's good.
Next, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Shall you do the honor?
Boop, boop, boop.
We're gonna put the cookies in for 12 minutes.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so now they're all ready. All I do is put them out. Yummy, it's good.
Thanks for having me on the show, Leah. I love you.
And Hannah.
You're the best.
Hannah.
I love you too.
I don't want to go. I don't want to leave you. Run away.
So for today's
So all I do is put the mixer into a shortening.
A mixer into a shortening?